Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tasteful Cook. Today I'm gonna make one of my favorites, a classic cheeseburger. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's start it. We are adding the chicken breast to the food processor, then chopping the onion and tossing it into. Now we are chopping the bell pepper and adding it on top of the chicken. That's it. Now it's time to add spices. A teaspoon of salt, pepper, turmeric, and garlic powder goes into the onions and chicken. Simple and tasty. Turn on the mixer and blend everything well for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. The ingredients are well mixed, so it's time to add butter. Since the chicken breast is dry and there is no fat in the mix, butter adds moisture and flavor. Turn the mixer back on and blend everything together until well combined. Look how smooth and uniform the texture is now. Pretty simple so far, right? If you are enjoying it, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Look how soft and smooth the texture is. Now shape it, place it on a tray and let it rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. Take a small piece and roll it into a ball. Then press it gently between your palms to flatten it. Use your fingers to smooth the edges for a nice round burger shape. Take a closer look. See how easy it is. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for an hour. After an hour, take it out of the fridge and try it. The chicken mix already has butter and I'm adding sauce and cheese too. So I don't want it to get too oily. But if you like it richer, go ahead and fry it with more oil. Let it fry slowly and nicely. Then we'll move on to making the sauce. The mushrooms are already washed. Slice them up and saute with a bit of butter. Our chicken is slowly getting ready. Almost there. Saute the mushrooms in a bit of butter. Add the cheese, grated or sliced, right on top of the mushrooms and let it melt. Cut the burger buns in half and toast them in the same pan where we fried the chicken, just to get them a bit crispy. Chop the pickles finely and mix them with 3 teaspoons of mayo. My chicken is all set. If you like the video, please leave a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now let me give it a taste. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Wow. Wow, it's really tasty. You should definitely make it.